All in this area. That's it. Okay, put your hands behind your neck now. And Sophia, put all your body weight, at least the upper one, on my shoulder.
Wow. Yes, but this side was worse, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's lighter, but good.
Relax. Relax. Hang दोनों आगे. जोर से बोलो, जोर से.
And you just lie down, please. Keep on lying down, lie down, lie down, lie down, lie down, lie down. Open, girl, open, chest, open, girl. Relax, chair.
There you go. I've been doing a lot of tailbone treatments, and I consider this tailbone treatment level 1 has to do with this drop table. And when you lift it up, there's a space, so I can add movement into the joint by just tracting the ligament and adjusting his tailbone. And I push it down like this, and you don't even feel anything. It's a great adjustment for people who are scared of manual adjustments, but it's great for this because you just need a little bit of force, apply it over time like this. And everyone thinks this drop sound is a cracking sound, or I'm trying to imitate it. It's just a drop table sound, nothing special. But this is a great non-invasive treatment to adjust joints, adding movement. If this space wasn't there, I'd be just shoving them in the table, adding movement without any cracking sounds, and it's actually uncomfortable. So the space between this drop is perfect to add motion, and people get great results with it. It just doesn't have a satisfying crack sound. So I hope this helped.
Woo! I'm alive. Like.
There you are. Wow.
Oh.
Oh. There you are.
Like my eyeball was falling off, and it's like coming back even now or something. Like everything's like readjusting.
It feels like her eyeball's falling off. She used to be cross-eyed.
No.
Cut that out. I was kidding. No. Wow.
Oh, that one, like, oh, I feel it in my brain. Like, oh my god.
She flew all the way from Japan, so she's getting her second adjustment. Oh.
I'm not crying.
Yeah.
Wow, that feels so good.
Whoa.
This is so loud.
Oh, building horror.
Yeah. There's a lot of emotions in there. Wow. That bad man, wherever he is. I think I lost my eardrum on that one. You feel okay?
Can we do this every day?
Of course. Better than the first time.
Oh, Kiana's back.
I'm back.
For crack.
Not that kind.
There.
Oh my, I told you.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my god, all the blood is crazy.
Got you. Oh.
Yo, I swear my body's been the worst it's ever been. Yep, I feel better. That was
Okay.
crazy.